All right. Welcome back to Unboxing Show, guys. Thank you so much for stopping in. I do appreciate it. And we do have an unboxing. We're going to check out our Watch Gang Platinum tier. This is the Platinum tier watch for February 2021. Hit that subscribe button. Down in the bottom corner here, we've got a little red box. That's the Unboxing Show logo. It's the Unboxing Show box. Hit that. Join the Unboxing Show family. We do giveaways on this channel. We just did a 500 subscriber giveaway. We've got a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. We are gaining on that very quickly here. So if you want to be a part of that, hit that subscribe button, join the channel, and shout out to my notification squad. I see you guys you're laser focused, and every time a video drops, you watch the video as soon as it drops. Thank you so much. All right, let's get everything ready here, okay? I do want to say at the top of the video, we'll lay down just a quick primer for anyone who doesn't know. WatchGang.com is a subscription box service. They will essentially send you a watch every month. There's 3 tiers. There's a $50, $100, and a $300 tier. This particular one will run you $300. This is the top tier, the Mac Daddy, the creme de la creme in terms of Watch Gang. This is the $300 tier. So we're going to see what that entails. We'll go over all the specs. Strap in, get your drinks, okay? All right, I am wearing, just a quick wristwatch check, I'm wearing the Terra Celomare, nice Italian watch. I've got it, I took it off the blue leather here. I've got it on this thick and chunky mesh bracelet. But like I said, let's jump in, okay? So enter Blackwell. So now, if you are familiar, we did unbox a Blackwell on this channel, I believe. I believe we unboxed the, I can't remember the name of it, but it's one they sent out under the black tier. We did unbox a Blackwell watch. This is a brand that Watch Gang typically sends out. I do like they have one called the Color Splash or Touch of Color or something like that. This isn't that one. I actually do like that one, but I've never gotten it. So this particular one here is still nice though. We're gonna check it out. Just ignore this here on the box. Someone who opened the box, that would be me, got a little overzealous with a knife and perhaps cut the box just a little bit. But you've got this blue paper box, and I will say honestly, guys, when I got this, I was like, come on, guys, $300. You send this out in this paper box for $300. What are you doing? And I will say it was a little strange because I took it out of the mailer, and I said, what the heck is this? This is a paper box, $300 for a paper box. But not to worry, it comes with a leather travel pouch. So let me put this over here. It comes with a watch roll. This is actually it's called a roll. So it comes with this leather watch roll. It is nice. It does smell pretty good. It doesn't feel super cheap. So it does come with this leather watch roll that you'll just throw, you can put the watch in here. It actually holds about 3 watches, and you can put it in your suitcase. They won't scratch each other. So I will say that while at first I was like, what are you doing to me with this paper box? The watch roll is nice. It's a nice thing to travel with. If you go on vacation, like I said, you can put 3 watches in here. I have another one by another company, and you can just throw it in there. This one is, of course, branded with Blackwell. Looks like that's been pressed into the leather there. But not overall, not bad at all. So you just unwind it like this here. And so a paper box is okay if you include a leather watch roll. Now let's open this up. And you've got this flap here. You've got the watch. Now, of course, I took this on and I kind of went over the specs, and I wanted to be ready for you guys. Let me also ready my wrist to try on this new piece. So let me put the TCM, the Terra Celomare, to the side and grab out this watch. Here we go. This, ladies and gentlemen, is called I've got the name here. Give me 1 second here, as I can't remember it. This is the Van Allen. Okay, so this is the Van Allen by Blackwell. Let's go in for some detail. Here we go. All right, so as you can see, this is the Van Allen, and of course, immediately what I think when I see it anyway is, let's all say it together now. Yes, Royal Oak Homage. This is, this looks like one of the typical Royal Oak Homage pieces, but it's actually not terrible. I do like it. So in terms of the specifications, guys, we've got 44 millimeters. So 44 millimeters is the case diameter. You've got a case thickness of 13 millimeters. So 13 millimeters. It's not, I believe it was the Duxo Triunfo, the platinum watch last month that was, that we received. That was, it was like 15 or 16 millimeters. It was huge. So this one's nice to see this one a little bit thinner. It is stainless steel, going to be 316L stainless steel. Let's see here. In terms of the case finish, it says that it is brushed, and it is. You've got a little bit of high polish around that little edge there, but it does have an overall brushed finish on this particular case. You do have an automatic movement. It is the Miyota 9039. Let's see if we can, you've got that nice exhibition case back there, as you can see the rotor. It is a signed rotor. It does say Blackwell. But yeah, Miyota 9039, not terrible. And then you have a flat sapphire glass. So the sapphire crystal in terms of the glass. So listen, better specs. If you just saw my, if you've also seen my black tier unboxing for this month, this is definitely better specs than you get on the black tier watch. And it does have 30 ATM water resistance. So not bad, not bad. So, I mean, listen, for the price, it's not terrible. In terms of the dial here, so it is a black dial, okay? And you do have right here on the side, let me see which one it is. One of these you can turn, there we go. See, you can turn that inner bezel there. So you can rotate that inner bezel. Like I said, nice black dial. The loom is not terrible on this particular piece at all. I tested out the loom earlier. It's not bad. I'm going to try to get a black light on the channel just so I can show you guys the loom and you can see, you know, I can just kind of very quickly get the loom going and you guys can see what that looks like here. Nice automatic movement. My hands are just a little bit clammy, so I actually, wow, that's going to be my one in the complaint section here. This is actually extremely hard to open when your hands are a little bit clammy. You can't unscrew the screw down crown here if your hands are just a little bit clammy, because everything is very smooth here, so it's very hard to, it's actually kind of hard to get that open. I would need a cloth or something. But overall, not a bad looking piece. In terms of the bracelet doesn't feel cheap. I'd say, I have to be honest though, to me, it doesn't quite feel as nice as the black tier bracelet. The black tier bracelet is a $99 watch, and that bracelet felt very nice. While this is a nice bracelet, it doesn't feel quite as nice as the one that came on the black tier watch. As you can see, you've got that butterfly clasp there, and it is signed here. It does say Blackwell at the bottom there, so that's not bad at all. We're going to try it on the wrist. We're going to see what it looks like here. Keep in mind, I do have 8 1/4 inch wrists. Let me pop this on here. Give me one quick second as we snap it up. Oh, there we go. Okay, did one side and the other side came unsnapped. Let's pop back out and let's see it in all its glory. So there it is on the wrist. Like I said, guys, it has a presence to it. It really does. I think it has a nice wrist presence. Like I said, you've got the Blackwell down there. You've got the, as you can see here, you've got the overall kind of the, like I said, you know, kind of a more squared off Royal Oak look to it. It actually reminds me of the Valère and the Aquanero pieces that came out, which also had a bit of the same type of look to it, minus the rotating bezel, but it did have that Royal Oak-esque look to it. So overall, not a bad looking watch. Let me know if you would wear it. I want to know if you would wear this piece. Is this something that you would wear? Is this something you could add to your collection? Keep in mind, let me know if you see $300 worth of value here, because again, this is higher in specs than what the other watches are. This is definitely, as I punch back in here to give you guys a little more detail, this is definitely higher in specs than what you get on the normal Watch for Watch Gang in terms of the black tier. So a little bit nicer movement. You do get that sapphire crystal. Overall, the construction is nice. I will say it does feel like it's pretty well snapped together. Good movement. Like I said, there's not a whole lot to complain about here, other than, you know, it's not a heritage brand. It doesn't have any any real heritage here. But in terms of this kind of unheard of brand, it's not a bad watch from a micro brand. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Would you wear this? Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Like, comment. I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. This has been Unbox and Chill, signing out.